Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on how to do. Today I will show you how to select all clips to the right in DaVinci Resolve 18. What I mean by this is actually very easy. So let's say I want to select all the clips from here to the right. So this one, and this one. What I do, I'm on a MacBook, but I tell you how to do it on Windows as well. What you want to do, hold Option and Y, and this selects all the clips to the right of the cursor. Then you can drag them around how you want. On Mac it is Option plus Y, on Windows it is Alt plus Y. But of course you can change it how you want. For this, go over to DaVinci Resolve, keyboard customization, and then type in select clip. Then go to select clips forward, and here you can change it however you like. Okay, that was a little hack on how to select all clips to the right in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to stay tuned for more how to do videos. If you have a video suggestion, just let me know down in the comments. See you guys soon.